What is going on, guys? Ricky here, and today I got a quick 5-minute recipe for you. Quick and easy like always. So we're gonna be needing some Kino Collagen, 3 bananas, 3 ripe bananas, half a cup of Nutella, and 180 grams of oats. These are my newest cookies using the Kino Collagen powder. You guys are gonna love these. Try these out. So let's get straight to the recipe. Okay, so step 1, we're gonna have to mash 3 ripe bananas, and the riper the banana, the sweeter these cookies are gonna be. Okay, next we're gonna add in our oats, and we're gonna mix this. Okay, so at this point we could add in our Kino Collagen. We're gonna add 2 scoops of the blueberry muffin. Now you could also use the Kino Mocha if you have it. Okay, so we're gonna make, this makes about 6 to 8 cookies. And we're gonna double layer these, so try to flatten them out a little bit. Take the Nutella and put a little bit on the inside. Okay, so they're out of the oven. Took some pictures, and now I'm gonna do a quick taste test in front of the camera. So I broke one in half. Focus. See that there's the Nutella on the inside. Now you could put more Nutella. I actually only put a 1/4 cup of Nutella for this whole recipe. So they come up to about 230, 250 calories each. So here we go. Really good. Really chocolatey. And once again, you taste that collagen. You can make these with the mocha, but I like them with the blueberry because you really taste that blueberry collagen inside any recipe that I use a collagen with. You taste it instantly, that first bite. So good. Try these out. Let me know in the comments and tag me on Instagram. All right, guys, quick video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. So good.